So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like PayPal, CSC and other important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some job opportunity, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So first important opportunity, that is from the PayPal. They are hiring for the role of software engineer 1 2026 graduate. So if you are 2026 graduate, then you can apply for this. Job location is Tamil Nadu and this is a full-time role. So you can just go through complete job link in the description, and I think this company need no introduction. This is one of the good company and MNC. And what are the requirements for this? You should have working knowledge of HTTP, HTML, DOM, JavaScript, CSS, AJAX, and understanding of web service, SOA, RESTful API. So if you have worked on some projects, then you can apply for this. And this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the CSC. They are hiring for the role of Associate Service Desk Analyst. Job location is Bangalore. So if you are interested, you can apply. These will be your roles and responsibility. You will track the various metrics of KPIs, participating in all call rotation basis, and all can go through it. So what are the technical skills and experience requirement for this? Just you should have troubleshooting knowledge and have some testing knowledge, and you should have education qualification like graduates or equivalent diploma. Moving to next important opportunity, that is I already provided update for it. They are hiring for the role of software tester intern, and if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is from the Colgate Palm Olive. So they are hiring for the role of campus associate, and basically job location will be Hyderabad and relocation assistance will be there, means will be basically given by the company. You might get the accommodation and all those stuff. So if you are interested, you can apply. So you are a campus associate, and these will roles and responsibility, and you can just go through it. This is also wonderful, you can say, opportunity. So what is the requirement? Bachelor or higher degree in computer science, management information system. If you have a knowledge of Python, GCP or AWS, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is they are hiring for the role of engineer intern, and job location is Bangalore. So if you are interested, you can directly fill the form. That is the NAVA Summer Internship 2026 AI Infrastructure GPUs SaaS and Inference System. So if you are in the second, third, fourth year, then you can apply for this, and you have to maintain the good GPA, and you have to upload a good resume. Then only the chance of getting reward is there from this. Next important opportunity, that is from the BSc BCA, means for the BSc BCA and MSc MCA candidates for 2024-2025 pass out. The academic requirement is 60%, and they are hiring for the role of quality assurance engineer, that is QAE, and job location is Bangalore MG Road. So you have to appear for face-to-face interview. If you are interested, you can share the mail resume to this mail ID. Moving to second last, and before going to second last, friends, if you have been selected for the TCS interview, first of all, congratulations to all of them. And those who have interview further, those whose interview scheduled further, you can basically fill our form link in the description. We will provide you complete guidance, and we will help you to clear this interview. We have already provided many selection in on campus and off campus also, and hope that you will be selected for this. So best of luck who have interview further, and COVID out here, you can ask here. Moving to second last important opportunity, that is from the refynej. They are hiring for the role of SD intern, and job location is Bangalore. So for that, you should have knowledge of Python and TypeScript, and you can just go through complete job in the description. You will get the idea. And again saying, apply the job with updated resume, and update your resume according to the job description. So next important opportunity, that is for the male candidates only, and job location is Pune, Bangalore, and they are having the role of SD in software developer Pune. This is a full-time role. Working days 6 days you have to work, so little bit hectic is there, but interview process will be virtual, means you no need to visit their premises. You can directly that. You should have good knowledge of Spring Boot, Hibernate, HTML, CSS, Agile and Java projects are there. Then there is strong chance of that. So you can share your resume to this mail ID or this mail, this mobile number. Hope video informative to कोई भी query है, feel free to ask her. I am always here to help you, and मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.